Eggs are a culinary canvas, a blank slate just waiting for you to turn them into an extraordinary masterpiece. But wait, before you whip up your next egg dish, I've got a secret to share that will take your cooking to a whole new level. Get ready because I'm about to show you 6 unexpected yet incredibly delicious foods that will transform your ordinary eggs into something truly extraordinary. Number 1. The unexpected duo, kimchi and eggs. Kimchi, the spicy fermented Korean cabbage, is a powerhouse of flavor. And when combined with eggs, it creates a taste sensation that will wake up your taste buds. The tangy, savory kimchi juice mixed with the richness of the egg yolk creates a harmonious balance between acidity and fat. The protein in the eggs also helps to stabilize the kimchi juice, giving it a luxurious texture. This combination is not only delicious, but also visually appealing. The vibrant colors of the kimchi complement the golden hues of the egg, making it a feast for the eyes as well as the palate. Number 2. A world of flavor, Indian spices and eggs. Indian cuisine is a treasure trove of aromas and spices, and adding them to your eggs can create a symphony of flavors. Picture this: the fluffy texture of scrambled eggs infused with the warmth of turmeric, the aromatic depth of cardamom, and a touch of chili powder for a hint of heat. Each bite becomes a journey, a celebration of taste that will transport you straight to the bustling streets of India. Number 3. A Mediterranean twist, sun-dried tomatoes and eggs. Sun-dried tomatoes, those little bursts of intense tomatoey goodness, are a perfect match for eggs. The concentrated flavor of the sun-dried tomatoes adds a rich, savory depth to the eggs. Whether you're making an omelet, frittata, or even a simple egg sandwich, the addition of sun-dried tomatoes elevates it to a whole new level. It's like a mini vacation for your taste buds. Number 4. A creamy dream, goat cheese and eggs. Goat cheese, with its distinct tangy flavor and creamy texture, is a fantastic companion for eggs. The protein and fat content of the eggs help to balance the acidity of the goat cheese, creating a harmonious blend of flavors. Imagine a fluffy omelet studded with chunks of creamy goat cheese, drizzled with honey for a sweet and savory delight. Number 5. A southern delight, hot sauce and eggs. For those who like it hot, a dash of hot sauce on top of your eggs is a match made in heaven. The fiery, saucy goodness adds a punch of flavor and heat that will make your taste buds dance. It's the perfect way to start your day with a little bit of southern charm. Number 6. A flavor fusion, peanut butter and eggs. Peanut butter, a classic all on its own, becomes even more extraordinary when paired with eggs. The creamy, nutty flavor of the peanut butter complements the richness of the eggs, creating a delightful combination. You can spread peanut butter on your toast, top it with fried eggs, and add a touch of salt and pepper. It's a simple yet incredibly satisfying dish that will keep you coming back for more. And there you have it, 6 incredible foods that will take your egg dishes from ordinary to extraordinary. Don't be afraid to experiment in the kitchen and get creative with your egg dishes. Who knows? You might just create the next big culinary sensation.